if you remember. Oh, don't unmute, just raise your hand. Raise your hand if you remember. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So a lot of us remember. All right, so you ready? I need you to get a pencil. And it can be a real pencil. I only have a mechanical pencil. I don't know where my real pencil went. I had one somewhere. Find a pencil. You can use a mechanical or a real pencil. You probably are going to have a real pencil. I have a mechanical pencil because I don't know.
One that I always use.
Awesome. So you should be getting a pencil, which you should already probably have one. All right. So what is a force? You can raise your hand and tell me. What is a force? Ali, what is a force?
A push or a pull.
A push or a pull. A push or a pull. Okay. So how do forces affect how objects move? How does a force, how would you applying force affect how an object moves? Grace, how would it affect how the object moves? Grace?
It would like change the position.
Okay. It would change the position or
Direction.
direction. So it changed the position or direction depending on which way you move it, right? Good job, Grace. All right. So can you apply a force to your pencil and make it move? Can you apply a force to your pencil and make it move? Okay. So you should be doing this with me. Can you apply a force to your pencil and make it move? Are you applying a force to your pencil and you're making it move? Yeah? Okay, good, good. I see some pencils moving. Good, good. Okay. So, did you push or pull to move your pencil? Did you push or pull? Holly, did you push or pull your pencil when you moved it?
I pushed it, I could say, because it wasn't going this, like, I wasn't like pulling it. I mostly was like pushing it that way.
Okay, so you were pushing it. So, Holly, did it require a lot of force to move your pencil or a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit, right?
It's just air.
Yeah, because your pencil's not very big. It's not very heavy. Tristan, did you push or pull your pencil?
Both.
Both? Okay. Tristan, did you apply a lot of force or a little bit of force?
A little bit.
A little bit. Why'd you only apply a little bit?
Because it has less mass.
Because it has less mass. Good job, Tristan. All right. All right, ready? So now, pick up your pencil in your hand and hold it like this. Pick up your pencil in your hand like this. Pick up your pencil in your hand like this. Okay? Palm side up where I can see your palm. Pick it up like this. Okay. If you turn your palm upside down, what's going to happen to your pencil? If you don't grab it with your thumb like I just did. If I turn it upside down, all right, you know what I want us to do? We're going to brainstorm. So I want everybody to send it in a chat. What's your pencil going to do? What's your pencil going to do? Send it in the chat. If you turn your hand over, what is my pencil going to do? If I turn my hand over, you turn your hand over.
I put mine in the chat.
All right. What's your pencil going to do? Okay. Okay. Not gonna tell y'all just yet what everybody's saying. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, okay. A lot of good answers, a lot of good answers. All right, y'all ready? So hold your pencil like this in your hand, palm up. Hold your pencil like this in your hand, palm up. You ready? On the count of 3, we're gonna turn our hands over. You ready? 1, 2, 3. What happened to your pencil? What happened to my pencil when I turn my hand over?
It fell.
What happened to my pencil?
It fell.
It fell, right? When I turned my hand over, my pencil fell. Ready? Try it 2 more times. Put it in your palm. Try it 2 more times. Put it in your palm. Try it 2 more times. One, 2. Does it do the same thing each time? When you turn your hand over, does it do the same thing each time? It does, right? Ali,
Yes.
what happened to the object in your hand?
It fell.
And it did what? It hit the
Table.
It hit the table, right? It fell and it hit the
Because of
table.
gravity.
Oh, hold on. It fell and it hit the table. Bella, because I know that was you. Why did it fall and it hit the table?
Because of gravity.
Because of gravity, right? So let's talk about gravity. All right, let's talk about gravity. So can you get out your science notebook for me so we can talk about gravity?
Gravity.
Can you get out your science notebook for me so we can talk about gravity? All right. So I want you to write the word gravity. Gravity. Write the word gravity. So I know y'all heard of the word gravity, right? You heard of it with Miss O'Dawn. So let's decide, what does gravity mean? What does gravity mean? What does gravity do? Bella, what does gravity do?
So when you jump up, you don't fly up to the moon. The gravity pulls you down.
The gravity pulls you down, right? So could we say gravity is what keeps us on the ground? So gravity pulls down. So we're going to say gravity pulls us down. Gravity pulls us down. Gravity pulls us down. So I'm going to say this is what keeps us on the ground. Have y'all ever heard the saying, what must go up?
Must come down.
Good job, Aaron. Must come down.
Go down.
What goes up must come down. Okay, so we're going to write that too. What? Because that's a great way to remember gravity. Goes up Ooh, y'all remind me not to write in this color again. You can't really see it.
Turn off the, you already turned off the front light?
I know I did. So that's why I'm like,
Turn
it's
off all
just,
the
a
front
color. I think I picked too light of a color. It's okay. We're not gonna write much more. Okay, gravity, what goes up must come down. All right, so all right, you ready? So now the next part, you're gonna have to get up. Okay, so up, everybody up. Up, everybody up.
In
Up,
real life.
up, everybody up. Up. All right, ready? You're gonna do one jump. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? We're gonna do one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So when you jumped, did you stay up in the air forever and ever and ever?
No.
No. You didn't stay up in the air forever and ever and ever and ever.
We got back to the ground.
Camila, what happened when you jumped?
Got back to the ground.
You came back to the ground, right?
Yeah.
So you won't float
the
to
gravity.
the moon?
You came back down. So, Tony, what caused you to come back down?
The pull of gravity.
The pull of gravity. The pull of gravity. So look, you ready? We're gonna draw a little picture. So I want you to draw a picture. You're gonna draw a picture of yourself. Okay? And you're gonna be jumping. So you're gonna draw some little lines to show that you're jumping, and you're gonna put an up arrow. And you can give yourself some hair and a face. So we jumped up, then we came down. We went up, then down. We didn't stay up. We didn't stay up in the air forever and ever and ever. We didn't stay up in the air forever and ever and ever.
I can barely see then.
I know. I told y'all it's because of this pen. I shouldn't have used this color. Oh, that's a little better. All right. So ready? We're going to add this sentence to our notebooks. It's going to say, and this is actually a perfect example for it. Gravity pulls all objects, including humans, to the earth. So gravity is going to pull all objects, including humans, to the earth.
Tanner,
Yes.
are we going to include in this that the sun, that the planets orbit the sun because of gravity?
Not yet. Not yet. We're just doing a quick little gravity review. Because then I think we'll do more gravity tomorrow. So we'll talk about Earth tomorrow with gravity. All right, so after you write that sentence, okay, I want you to find something else, okay? Something else, another object besides your pencil, another object besides your pencil. Because maybe it's just our pencils. Maybe that's what falls, right? Maybe it's just our pencils. So find another object, okay? I'm gonna use one of my starbursts. Find another object. If I drop this, is it gonna do the same thing as the pencil? It is, right? So ready? Drop your object. 1, 2, 3. Does it do the same thing? It does the same thing, right? If I drop it, it does the same thing. It doesn't stay up in the air forever and ever and ever. It does the same thing. It drops. It goes to the ground. It goes to the ground every single time.
Like with the slinky.
Yep. Yep. Right? It goes back down. Yes, Gabriel, you go to the bathroom. It goes back down. Okay. So, real fast, okay? We're going to do it real fast. We're not going to write it in our notebook, but do you remember, because it's a part of our activity, our independent activity that I put on there for you? Who remembers what magnetism is? I know you talked about this, so Dawn. Sarah, what's magnetism? Oh, unmute.
A force that puts, it's like the sun. It's like gravity.
Okay.
So the gravitational pull is pulling us down, which is gravity. If you put two magnets together with different poles, they attract.
Mm-hmm.
If you put the same poles together, they won't go. They will not go together, and they will not attract.
Yes. So magnetism, magnets attract, right? Magnets attract things that are magnetic, right? So if I had a magnet and I had a paper clip, can I pick up that paper clip with my magnet? I probably could, right? Because paper clips are usually magnetic. If I had a battery, I could pick up that battery with the magnet because batteries are usually magnetic. So gravity is pulling an object down. A magnet is attaching it. Magnetism is attracting an object to that magnet, okay? All right, so